Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to bring you along with me as I go out. We're going to a Christmas market, so I thought this would be good content to bring with you. So I just finished doing my hair and makeup and I liked how it turned out. I'm just gonna put in some earrings and then my friends are on their way to pick me up and we are gonna go see all the different places in the city that are all decorated and stuff for Christmas, so I'm so excited and I thought I would bring you with me as I pick out my outfit. So yeah, I kind of got ready super quick, so I really like how my hair turned out, so happy with that. Okay, so I am all dressed and ready to go. So this is the outfit. This scarf is Old Navy. The shirt is Banana Republic. It's super cute. I just got it last weekend. And then I have this like black coat. I got that from Ardeen, I think, a few years ago. And then I just have black Align leggings and just a little pair of black booties. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And I'm just waiting for someone to pick me up. And then we're gonna hit the road and go to the little, I was gonna say Halloween. We're going to the little Christmas event. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna make this like a little weekend vlog. So it's currently like around, I don't know, 1 o'clock-ish. And I am going to go to the grocery store and get some groceries for the week. I'm gonna just make this into like one big weekend vlog. So I really need to clean out my office. I say this like every week, it just gets crazy. But we were doing renovations to our house this week, so I kind of feel like, you know, that's just the way it happens. But yeah, this weekend I've really just been planning Vlogmas because I'm going to be vlogging all 25 days in December, so I'm just kind of preparing that and then yeah, doing that kind of stuff, so I'm super excited. And tonight I'm going to work on my intro for Vlogmas, so I think that'll be super fun, so I'm just getting really excited and jazzed up for that. Do you have something to say? Oh, do you want to come in? Okay, come on in. Do you want to be a part of the grocery haul? Do you want to be a part of the grocery haul, Frank? You do? Okay. Are you a good, oh, are you a good boy? People have been wondering how you're doing. Are you good? You're good? Now it's time for the grocery haul. So, we're gonna start off with, we got this bottle of sriracha, tomatoes, got 2 green apples, 2 avocados, a lemon and a lime, Frank, shush, bananas, raspberries, bell peppers, baby carrots, broccoli, basil, cucumber, romaine lettuce, mushrooms, spaghetti squash. Frank, no, no. Come over here. Come here. Come here. Put me in the video. Okay, sit. Good boy. Sourdough bread, pepperoni, chips, nacho chips, pizza sauce, holiday snowman cookies were in. We got Frank. Oh my gosh. He's so sassy. Go, Frank. Go. Go, Frank. Oh my gosh. He's so sassy. And then we got riced cauliflower, snowman cookies, spaghetti squash, salmon, ground beef and chicken. What? It was on sale. Corn, can of whole tomatoes, whole wheat wraps. Can you say hi? Hi. Do you want some salmon? Yeah. Good boy. So I thought I would do a little cleaning montage to end today's video. My office is a complete disaster. I'll just kind of do a quick little overview just to show you. Like my desk, my over here, stuff on the floor. Like it's just kind of gotten out of control. So I am just going to do a quick little cleaning montage and put some things away to get set up. So I start tomorrow off on a good place. Okay, so now my office is all clean. So I put all my clothes away. Looks good. Put all my shoes away. Then cleaned off the top of my desk. Note all the Kleenex. And then I cleaned off all of this. And then I'm gonna be doing my sheets, so I'm doing that. Vacuumed, cleaned all underneath my bed. Got all my like dirty clothes and stuff like that. Cleaned the mirror and then put everything away in here. It looks so much better, so I'm so much happier, and I'll be able to like get work done and be super happy on Monday. So now I'm gonna go do laundry, and then for the rest of the night I'm going to just sit down and edit. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.